Hello, fly babies. I hope you're watching these dailies every day and doing what I say, because it will make a huge difference in your life, and it's just a little bit of things every day that you have to do. So here we go. I am here to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to finally love yourself. Today we're going to start with our morning routine. It is Friday. Happy Friday. So the first thing we're going to do is get up, make our bed if you can, make it later if you can't, if someone's in it. Go into the bathroom, wash your face, brush your teeth, fix your hair, put on some moisturizer. If you wear makeup, put it on. A little jewelry, a little perfume if you wear it. Put your clothes on, which I always keep hanging behind the bathroom door so that I'm ready to put them on when I go in there. My shoes, even if for me, it's just a pair of little flip-flops, put them on. Go into the kitchen. Oh wait, don't go yet. We got to wipe out the sink, spritz it, wipe it out. Wipe out the toilet, spritz it, swish around. Okay, go into the kitchen, empty the dishwasher, make a little coffee or breakfast. Ta-da, you've done your morning routine. Now you might want to add one or two little things, and that's fine. Not very long though, because this is a quickie thing that I want you to establish as a habit that you do almost without thinking. Okay, next, going into the bedroom. Now you're in control. You're the principal, you're the CEO, you control your home. You are firm but kind. Say these things to yourself as you're going to wake up your children. And wake your children up in a kind way. Good morning. Did you have a good night's sleep? Our little rub on the back if it's a baby. If it's a big boy, big girl, they might like it too. It depends on your child. But good morning. I hope you slept well. It's time to get up. What would you like for breakfast? I'll make breakfast for you, whatever. And then you instruct them if they need reminding. Don't forget to make your bed, wash your face, brush your teeth, comb your hair, put on your clothes, wipe the sink out, hang up your towel, and put your pajamas in the dirty clothes. Come on and get your clothes on. Come on into the kitchen and we'll have breakfast. All right, now you may have to go back and police that a little bit, right? Because you are free to do so. You have nothing else to do, really. You might let the dog out, okay? But that's not enough to worry, okay? So go in there and say, how you doing? Oh, baby, don't forget to make your bed. Come on, remember how to do it? Little guys, big guys, hey, you forgot your bed. I know, it's crazy. Get in there and get it done. You can do it. You're a great bed maker. High five, And then, uh-oh, somebody left their towel. Please hang up your towel. That kind of thing. All right, come on. I made the scrambled eggs. We've got salsa for it today, or whatever they like. Toast, juice, whatever. So they've got a hot breakfast maybe, or maybe they want cereal. Maybe your kids just love cereal, and that's good. You got their cereal. They've got it all. And now you're going to have a happy breakfast. What are you going to do today? It's the last day of school or whatever. What are you going to do today? Are you so excited? What are your plans for summer? What are we going to do? I have some things I have in mind. Do you have some ideas? Let's talk about it at supper. Have a happy time, not grumpy. If you're not ready for them, it's going to sound more like this. Get up. Why aren't you out of that bed? Get in that bathroom and brush your teeth. That's the tone of voice I used with my kids when I was like that. No, you can't do that. No, we're not doing that. You're having cereal. Sit down. Sit down. Do not run around this kitchen. That was the kind of craziness that went on in my life. I don't want that to happen to you. Let's stop that. Now, it doesn't happen anymore. Of course, my kids are grown, and it didn't happen a lot. I was a really nice mom, but on those days where I was out of control, that's the way it sounded. I can hear it in my own ear when I'm saying it to you. So let's stop that. Would you like someone to talk to you like that in the morning when you're full of vim and vigor and you're ready to go? Kids are just ready to go. They're not like you. That's why it's important that you catch up with them before they get up by getting yourself ready and being kind of available. Now, once they're gone to school, to play, to nursery school if you're going to work, or if you're starting homeschool or you're homeschooling all year long, let's get into that. Get them situated. While they're working on their own, you start your laundry and you go through an inch of paper. Now, that does not take a lot of time away from your kids, so don't give me an excuse like that. Okay, I'm being firm but kind. Don't give me an excuse. Run, go put your load of laundry in. Put the soap in, put the clothes in. If you use softener, get that lined up. Turn it on and shut the lid. Hello. Leave it. And then go through an inch of paper. If you have paper clutter coming out of your ears, just grab an inch. Even if you just have a little bit, grab an inch and go through it. You're not doing it. You're going through it. Trash, trash, trash. Oh, I better handle that. Inbox, trash, trash, trash. Don't have any filing. You have one action item. Most of it's trash. Throw the trash away. Take the thing to your inbox. If you have filing, put it in your inbox. On Wednesday, you're going to handle it. It doesn't take long. Do you know how many bits of information your mind can process in a minute or even in a second? It's ridiculous. Look it up. I'm not even going to tell you. Just look it up. So in a nanosecond, you can decide if it's trash or it's not trash. Throw it away. Okay, now you're going to do the second thing in your day because you've done your morning routines. You've done your morning routine. You've done, your first thing in the morning routine. You've done your laundry. You've done your paper. The next thing you're going to do is work on your basic weekly plan. On Friday, that's a super simple one. Empty your purse and reorganize it, hopefully with a different purse, and then go into your car and get the trash out. Now, if you're doing the key to keeping your trash out of your car, which is taking the key out and reminding yourself that's the key to keeping a clean car and looking around and getting the stuff out with every trip, you won't even have anything in there. Just shake the mats. If you haven't taught yourself to do that, go clean your car. Now, next thing is, okay, so if you're homeschooling, you're going to be touching base. Okay, that's good. I'll be right back. And you go do that. It's not long. It's not long. These things are easy. Then the last thing we're going to do today is zone 4. This is the last day in your master bedroom. So if you're homeschooling, you might not want to be away from them for 15 minutes. If you can, go in there for 15 minutes maximum. 15 minutes is decluttering. 10 minutes is deep cleaning or less. So if it's a deep clean thing you're going to do, it takes 10 minutes or less. Go do those things that take 10 minutes or less. You're done for the day, except for your after dinner routine and your before bed routine. And of course, 3 clutter checks. In the morning, after the kids get ready, you go and check behind them. In the afternoon, go check behind them and yourself, because you clutter too. And then at the end of the day, go check before you do before bed routine. Now, also, you're going to inspect what you expect. Those are the things you expect your children to do. For example, if you have a page of homework to do, you expect them to do their page of homework, but you have to inspect, right? Okay, if you're working, you're going to leave knowing everything is good, no matter what state it's in. If you see stuff, you say, I see you, I have a plan for you, and leave it. Go to work and be focused at work. Don't be at home when you're at work. Don't be at work when you're at home. Do your work on your break and your lunch hour. You can do things like clean out your car, clean out your purse, right? And when you come home from work, you're going to start your laundry. You're going to go through your inch of paper, and you're going to start supper. Everybody's going to start supper at the end of the day while it's cooking or holding. Don't burn it, but while it's holding or simmering, you can go do your 10 minutes in the bedroom of deep cleaning or less, or your 15 minutes of decluttering. That's it. Now, the other thing you're going to do if you work is think about that weekly home blessing hour. If you've broken it up in pieces, what piece needed to be done today? Did your kids do it? Was that something you delegated, which I highly recommend? Then inspect what you expect. If it's something that you choose not to delegate or you have no one to delegate to, then do the last part of your weekly home blessing hour. 10 minutes maximum, okay? So turn the stove off and just let it sit. Take it out, cover it up, sit 10 minutes, and do it. 10 minutes, all right? So at the most, you've spent 25 minutes away from the kitchen. 15 minutes at the max in the bedroom, maybe 10, maybe 5. And 10 minutes on your basic weekly home blessing hour. Okay. Now after that, everybody is going to do the after dinner routine. If you're by yourself, you do the after dinner routine because only you messed up. Anyone who eats off a plate and can walk and carry it can help you clean the kitchen by putting their dish in the dishwasher or at the sink. Everybody has a little job. When that's over, we're going to do before bed routines. And then at the end of the day, turn on your dishwasher right before you go to bed if you have one, and enjoy. And don't forget to look at it and see what's happening tomorrow, which is Family Fun Day. Have a wonderful day, and always remember that you are beautiful. Bye.